Hello viewer, it's a shape we are going to take here. Apply a design there to use it. Use an eraser tool to make some extra features here. Apply over it. Add different paints here to make it an attraction. So let's take a filter over that tint as well. These are the colors. We will increase the ratio of each one to see how it is looking there. Add another paint.